Hello friends, welcome again. We are here with another question of IGCSE February March 2024. The question says a diagram shows a pyramid. This is a pyramid with square base. You have to focus here the word square. This is a pyramid. Pyramid is composed of 5 things, 4 triangles and 1 square. That is square base. The diagonal CE, this is the diagonal CE, and the diagonal BD, they intersect at M, which is mentioned in a figure. And the vertex F is directly above M. Vertex F is directly above this point M. BE is 12 centimeter. This is BE. This is 12 centimeter. As this is square base, so if this is 12, this is also 12. So he has given us BE as 12 centimeter. So by the logic that it is square base, we will have BC also 12 centimeter. Furthermore, he has given you FM is equals to 9 cm. That is the height of pyramid. FM is 9 cm. What he is asking from you? Calculate the volume of the pyramid. We have to calculate the volume of pyramid. The formula for the volume of pyramid is area of a base multiplied by height. From the statement, it is very clear that it is a square base, and we all know the area of a square is length into width. So you have to substitute the value over here as 12 multiplied by 12. This is the area of the base, which is actually a square base, and the height of pyramid, that is FM, which is shown in a figure as 9 cm. This one. So when you multiply 12 with 12, you get 144. After multiplying with 9, you will get 432 cm cube. Cm cube is the unit for the volume. Now let's move toward the second question. This question says calculate the total surface area. We have to focus on the word total surface area. As I told you earlier that whole of the pyramid is composed of 5 things. 4 are triangles and 1 is square. It's mean in order to calculate the total surface area, I have to add the area of 4 triangles and the area of 1 square. So first I will extract the figure according to my need. If I draw the point X over here and extract the triangle, which one? Let me draw over here. This is point F, this is point M, and let me denote this point as X. As I know that M is a midpoint, so if the total length is 12, the half of it will be 6 cm. Whereas the figure clearly indicates the height of FM as 9 cm. Here I have to use Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem says this is the hypotenuse. This, if I take the angle over here, this is base and this is perpendicular. So how would you get Fx? Fx square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. 9 square will be 81 and 6 square will be 81 plus 36. So here you get the answer 114. If you take the square root in order to get Fx 144, you will get the measurement of this side slant line 3 square root 13. But this is not the whole triangle. Now if I take the face FBC, now I'm gonna take this whole thing FBC. So I'll come to know this is a triangle, this is F, this is B, this is C. I know I have already calculated this length fx as 3 square root 13, while BC is already mentioned in a figure, that is 12 cm. As I know the area of triangle, that is half of base into altitude. So what I will get over here? Area of triangle will be 1 by 2. This is the base, which is 12, and this is an altitude 3 square root 13. So here I will get 18 square root 13. This is actually the area of one triangle. As I have told you earlier that there are actually the 4 triangles in a pyramid. It's mean in order to calculate the whole area of 4 triangles, I have to multiply this with 4. Now I will work on total surface area. Total surface area, that will be area of 4 triangles plus area of square. Area of 4 triangles will be 4 into 18 square root 3, whereas area of square base is length into width, that is 144. After solving it on calculator, as this is a calculator paper, you will get the answer 403.6 centimeter square. Here centimeter square is a unit for area, whereas in previous case centimeter cube was a unit for volume. The next part of the question says the diagram shows a toy made from the cone and sphere. There is a toy that is composed of 2 things. One is cone and other is hemisphere. Hemisphere means half of sphere. The base radius of the cone and the radius of hemisphere both are r centimeter. Base and the cone both have same radius, that is r centimeter. The slant height is actually this tilted height is known as slant height. The slant height of the cone is 3 rcm, that is shown in the figure. The total surface area of the toy is 304 centimeter square. What we have to calculate? We have to calculate the value of r. First of all, you have to understand there are 2 figures. One is cone and the next is hemisphere. It's mean if he has given you the total surface area 304, it's mean that he has summed up the area of cone and hemisphere together in order to get this figure. So I apply the same strategy over here. The area of the cone is basically area of cone, that is basically pi RL. Pi RL. Pi, this is R, and the L is 3R, so here I get 3 pi R square. Now I have to find out the area of hemisphere. As I know the area of sphere, so I will divide that area in 2 parts to get the area of half of sphere, that is known as hemisphere. Area of sphere I know that is equals to 4 pi r square. This is basically area of sphere, but I am discussing here hemisphere. So I have to divide this area with 2. So I will get the answer 2 pi r square. In order to get the total surface area, I have to add. Total surface area, I have to add these two answers. 3 pi r square plus 2 pi r square. Whereas the value for the total surface area is given by examiner as 304. This is 2 plus 3 will be 5 pi r square. 304 by 5 pi r square, and we also know I have to divide this pi over here. Now take the square root in order to get the answer of r. While calculating this on calculator, you will get the answer as 4.3992. that is correct to 2 decimal points as 4.40. This is the value of r, so you have to mention the unit centimeter over here. Hopefully you have understood the lecture. If you face any sort of ambiguity, come to the comment section. Thank you for watching the video.